Introduction. Hi everyone, welcome to this video on monetizing your social media. In this 3-minute video, we'll be covering the basics of turning your social media presence into a source of income. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or simply someone with a passion, understanding how to monetize your social media can be a valuable skill. So, let's get started. Understanding your audience. To monetize your social media, you need to have a clear understanding of your target audience. Who are they? What do they care about? What problems do they face? Knowing your audience will help you create content that resonates with them and ultimately attracts potential sponsors or advertisers. For example, if you have a cooking channel on YouTube, your audience might be home cooks interested in recipes and cooking techniques. You can use this information to identify potential brands that might be interested in partnering with you, such as kitchen appliance manufacturers or food delivery services. Content types and monetization methods. There are several types of content you can create on social media to monetize, including sponsored posts, working with brands to promote their products or services, affiliate marketing, earning commissions by promoting products or services and including affiliate links, selling products or services, using social media to promote and sell your own products or services, sponsored content, creating content around a brand's product or service. Each type of content has its own rules and regulations, so be sure to research and understand the requirements before getting started. Building an audience and engagement. Building a loyal audience is key to monetizing your social media. This can be achieved by creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Here are some tips to increase engagement. Use eye-catching visuals and graphics. Ask questions and encourage comments. Use relevant hashtags. Share behind-the-scenes content. Remember, building an audience takes time and effort, so be patient and consistent. Working with brands and advertisers. Once you have a solid understanding of your audience and a content strategy, you can start reaching out to brands and advertisers. Be clear about your goals and what you can offer, and be prepared to negotiate. Some popular platforms for finding brand and advertising opportunities include social media influencer platforms like Aspire IQ or Upfluence, advertising platforms like Google AdWords or Facebook Ads, industry-specific platforms like Sprout Social or Hootsuite, measuring success and adjusting. Finally, it's essential to track your progress and adjust your strategy as needed. Use analytics tools to measure your engagement rates, audience growth, and revenue. Adjust your content and advertising strategies based on your findings. For example, if you notice that your audience is responding well to video content, you may want to focus on creating more video content. Conclusion. That's it for this video on monetizing your social media. Remember, monetizing your social media requires patience, effort, and a clear understanding of your audience and content strategy. By following these basic steps, you can start turning your social media presence into a source of income. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content on social media and online marketing.